Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to check updates on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to check for updates on the Google Play Store, first open up your Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us in the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see there is the manage apps and device option over here just below your Google account. Tap on the option that says manage apps and devices, and over here you can see the second option. It says the updates available. If you tap on it, all of the apps which require an update on your phone will be over here, and you can see the update button at the right side or the update all button at the top right corner of the screen. You can simply tap on the update button or the update all button at the top right corner of the screen, and all of your apps which require an update on your phone will be updated. And that being said, guys, this is how to check for updates on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.